Hello there, welcome back. Here we go, sales invoices. So to raise a sales or customer invoice, all we need to do is go to the sales tab at the top here and click sales invoices. Obviously, if you want to create a credit note, we can click on sales credit notes. We'll be taken to the sales invoice list. Once again, as mentioned in previous videos, we have a list here. It's blank because there's nothing on Sage yet. And then to add a new sales invoice, we just use that blue button to the top right. The layout is pretty much the same for each page on Sage Business Cloud Accounting, making the process of accounting so much more simple. Click on New Invoice. You'll be taken to an invoice template. This may look different depending on the template you've chosen under settings and if you're providing a product or service. Now under customer, we can click on this drop down list to select a customer that we've added onto the software. If the customer isn't showing, then simply go to contacts and customers and follow the process to add a new customer. Alternatively, in the drop down list, you can click on add a customer here to add a new customer. I'm going to add 123 Supplies Limited. The invoice date, we have the due date. Now this due date is set automatically by the payment term date or payment term days set in the customer record. If you remember, when adding a new customer, you select payment days. I selected 15, so the due date is set automatically 15 days after the invoice date. If you want to change either of these though, just click on the calendar and change the date of the invoice or the due date. We have space for reference. This is totally optional. You may want to put some sort of internal or external reference. Here, the invoice address and delivery address appear automatically, which are connected to the customer account, just like the due date is. Now down the bottom here, we have our first line for our invoice. 4010 is shown automatically because that's what we selected when we created the customer record as the customer default 4010. Product or service, we have credit control and we have general bookkeeping. The reason why these two are showing, these are the two services I added in products and services. You should now be seeing everything starting to come together. So I've added the customer, I've put in defaults and contact details for the customer. I've gone and created services in the software. They're now showing here. If I click on general bookkeeping, you'll see the description is automatic general bookkeeping for small businesses. And we have the rate, which is entered automatically, and the VAT amount. You should be able to see that accurately entering data on Sage and setting things up correctly, such as services and customer records, really saves time later on because everything just becomes auto-filled. So let's do 5 hours. The price rate is £10 per hour. The VAT is automatically calculated. And then we have the total here. Then let's do some credit control. This is £12. Let's do 2.5 hours. It's all calculated automatically. Once we're happy, we can click Save and Email. If we're going to save and email the invoice, we can click Save and New. If we simply want to save the invoice on the system and raise a new invoice, or we can click Save and Print if we plan to print the invoice and send it to the customer, or if we want to download the invoice and email it to a customer. So I'll click Save and Print. You can see the invoices here. And if you've been following this tutorial from the beginning, you'll be able to see the logo that we added, my contact details that we added at the beginning of this series. We have the invoice template that was chosen and the footer details down the bottom. Thank you for your business, Pax Preferred. You should recall that from one of the first videos. Now from this screen, just go to the top here. We can print the invoice off or we can download it and then manually attach it to an email. So that's our first invoice added to the system. If I click on Sales Invoices now, you'll see that we have an invoice appearing on the list, invoice 1547. 123 supplies, we have the amount outstanding and the total amount. The invoice has been issued, but it remains unpaid. Later on in this series, when we record bank receipts and allocate them to invoices, these invoices will change their status from unpaid to paid. Now, if I want to edit, or if you need to edit a customer invoice, just the same as editing anything else on Sage, just click on the invoice. You'll be taken to the invoice screen. There's an option to edit just here. You can edit any of the information, and then once again just click save and the invoice will be saved. So let's go ahead and do another. So new invoice. Let's do an invoice to Quirt Limited this time. Let's say the date was the 6th. Due date is done automatically. Let's do credit control at 12 hours. I'm happy with everything else. It's all being auto-filled. We can save and print, save and new, or just save. I'll just save this time. And then we'll go back to that customer list. We have invoice 1547 and invoice 1548. Both are unpaid. Now, to record a customer credit note, the process is exactly the same, but instead of new invoice, we're going to select new credit note. Alternatively, you can go to sales at the top here, click on sales credit notes, so you'll be taken to the sales credit note page. We have the list here. There's nothing in the list because we don't have any credit notes yet. Just click on new credit note, fill in the details just as you would an invoice. Once it's saved, it will appear on this screen under the sales credit note list. All very straightforward. If you do need assistance, please drop me an email, make a comment below on YouTube. If you want direct email support from me, the Bookkeeper Master, then I do offer email support. Just go to my website under services. I also offer one-to-one online training. In the next video, we'll have a quick review of everything we've been through so far, and we'll look at some of the reports that you can create on Sage for sales and customers.